Hey guys, Daryl here from Daryl Travel, and welcome back to another room tour. Yeah. So guess what? Today we are in Atlanta. So guys, if you're traveling to Atlanta and you're looking for somewhere nice and comfortable and luxurious and somewhere that is quiet and relaxing to stay, guess what? This is the hotel for you. When I tell you this hotel is absolutely gorgeous, yes, I need to do more hotel room tour in Atlanta because we do have some nice places in Atlanta. Okay, I don't always have to travel outside my state or outside the U.S. But yeah, I need to do more. So for those who are watching my channel, if you are in need of a travel influencer to come out and showcase your property, I am your girl. Please give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to check that out for you. Okay, so I am at the entrance here. I want to say first, this is not like this room tour may be a little different, right? All right, so this is my first time actually showcasing a room tour in Atlanta. This is actually a hotel. And yeah, it is so nice in here, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited to show you guys around. So coming in, this is the entrance right here. And I love how it's like a mini apartment. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for, like a mini little apartment. So as you come in here, right? Let me turn the camera around so you can see. You can walk straight here and you walk right into the bedroom. Now we have two queen beds because the entire family is here. Me and my husband and my two kids. And oh, and the TV showcase your name. Beautiful. And then you can walk straight across. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Oh my God. Guys, listen, if you're afraid of height, this may not be the room for you. But guys, oh my God, we're on the 23rd floor, right? Yeah, look at that. I can actually see a lot of stuff from here. This is a beautiful view, guys. If you like this view, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, so I'm going to turn you guys around so you can glance at the room. And look how spacious this room is, guys. Very spacious and roomy for a family of four. All right, now we're going to go back over here. And here you have the mirror. Once you come in, there's a mirror right here. Okay, and then to my right, you're gonna have your closet. Here you have your closet right here, your laundry bag to put your dirty laundry in. And you have your safe. It is big enough for a laptop or whatever you want to put in here. You have some storage area right here. Very spacious. All right. And here you have your bag rack to put your suitcase on if needed. To your right, as you come in, you have the bathroom. Look how beautiful that bathroom look, guys. Oh my goodness, absolutely stunning. Love, love, love the bathroom. Oh, check out the countertop. Nice. Love, love, love the countertop. The sink, it's big enough, guys. Yeah, it's not small at all. It's spacious. And over here you have two towels. And right here you have your body lotion. And then over here you have your towel and your rash rag, body rag. You have all your rag down here. All right. And then here you are, you have the shower. Now guys, to be honest, I'm not a fan of a curtain. I always, check it out just to make sure there's no stain on it. And this one seems to be a little decent. I'd rather the glass door. So I'm surprised that they have a curtain in here instead of a, you know, a glass door for such a beautiful hotel. They have the rain shower up there. You have the rain shower. It's a tub you actually step into. Yeah. And then you have your shampoo and conditioner. Alright, and the washcloth in there. The hang your towel right here. Now check out the flooring, guys. The floor is really, really clean. Yes, it looks like it's a brand new hotel. I'm not sure how long this has been around. But then here you have a sliding door, guys. How cool that is. And when you slide the door, you have a mirror where you could check out yourself. Yeah, it's so cute. So you slide it to open it, and then you go into the bathroom. How cool. I like the backdrop in the bathroom there. Very, very nice. So turning around now. Wait, is it a crack? Oh, it's not a crack. There's a design in the glass. You have the clear and a different shade of color right there. Oh, how lovely. All right, guys. So from the bathroom, you have a little seating area right here where you can just sit on. Very nice. So you do have an outlet right here where you can sit here, charge your phone and your tablet. Then you have a, you know, this nice design here. It's a picture frame. I love this picture frame. This is so nice. Oh yeah, really, really nice. Now we're gonna walk inside the room. Here we have 2 queen bed. All right, today my family is here with me, so I decided to get 2 queens bed. Oh wow, and let's see. Oh, the bed is so comfy. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey. The bed is so comfy, guys. It's very soft. And the pillow as well is very, very, very soft. All right. Oh, check out this lighting. So cute. It's like a world map. So cute, guys. I love, love, love this. Very different. Yeah. Here you have another outlet so you can plug your stuff in. If you want room service, you can go ahead and order it right here with the QR code. Yeah, and here we have another storage area as well, guys, to put whatever you want to put in here. Yeah, guys. This is so lovely. Guys, check out on the wall. Look at the wall. These nice picture frame. Oh, look at those birdies. So nice. Okay. All right, the Starling, I see you. Nice. I love, love, love it. You have 2 bottled water over here. And you can get your ice. Nice. Okay. Here you have your tea or your coffee, whatever you like. You know, I would definitely be using this tonight. You know, I'm a tea person. Yes. Oh, check out the lighting again. Love it, love it. All right, nice. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Also, check out the flooring. Look at how clean the floor is. Absolutely amazing. Yes, I love to come into a clean hotel and the floor is spotless. Love, love, love it. Yes, 10 out of 10. Hi guys, so tell me how you like the Starling Hotel. Guys, this hotel is absolutely amazing. Love, love, love it. So if you're looking to stay at the Starling Hotel or any hotel in Atlanta, please give Daryl Travel a call and I'd be more than happy to take care of your booking for you from start to finish. Also, if you're looking for a travel influencer advisor, someone to come out and showcase your property, please give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to, you know, look into it for you. Yeah, please give me a call or send me an email. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you love this property here. Let me know how you love this room here. Oh my god, it is absolutely gorgeous, amazing. Yeah, and yeah, I'm very interested about what you think about this room. Let me know. Have you stayed here at the Starling before? If so, let me know. I want to hear from you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me for more. Bye, guys. See you in my next one.